Hi there, students. A pittance. A pittance is a very small amount of money, often insufficient. So, for example, I am paid a pittance. A pittance is a really good word to collocate with your salary, with your pay, with your wages. He gets paid a pittance. He works for a pittance. So he gets paid very, very little. I think this word a pittance is nearly always money, but if you're inventive, you can use it with other things. So they feed us a pittance. With a pittance of thought, you can find the right solution. But this is much more metaphorical, and it's much more common to use pittance to talk about money. You can buy these for a pittance in the market. Workers in the third world get paid a pittance. He only spends a pittance on maintaining his car. So it's normally talking about pay, an allowance, a pension, an amount of money that is paid, particularly regularly. Okay, so what about the origin of this word, a pittance? Well, it comes from Latin, pittantia, meaning pity. Okay, to show compassion. But it comes to English through Old French. And in Old French, Pittance was the allowance of food, the daily amount of food given to either a monk or a poor person. So I think this is to do with feeding people for charity, and they're really mean, so they give them as little as possible. Okay, but to pay somebody a pittance. Now, what about formality? I think this word's probably neutral. I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. And I think you could probably use it in a very formal document as well, although it's tending towards the more informal side. So I'm sure you get paid a pittance for the huge amount of work you do. It says it's a very small amount, and it's implying it's not enough. There is a pittance left out of the budget that we were initially allocated. Well, the initial budget itself was a pittance, a very small amount of money. A noun. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A pittance.